Hello everyone, I am Deepthy and this is my AI-powered incident response agent for DataHub. A failed data source can affect many downstream datasets and dashboards. My agent, DataHub Blast Radius agent, uses DataHub's live metadata and lineage to find that impact automatically. For this demonstration, we can see that the Snowflake customer source has stopped updating. Depth 4 means the agent searches up to 4 downstream lineage hops. Let's click on Analyze. The agent traces the lineage, finds affected assets and owners, and creates an incident brief. Here we can see the affected assets is 37 and there is 22 datasets and 12 charts and 3 dashboards. The affected assets. This shows the assets that may be affected, and there is the evidence path, which shows the exact route from customers to each asset, making the results transparent. And the owners identifies who may need to be contacted. And incidents brief turns the technical findings into a clear response report. And after analyzing, we can see that a human can approve after reviewing the brief before publication. And here it is saved to DataHub. Let's have a look. Here is the latest incident report or document saved directly in DataHub. It is now available for next person or another agent to reuse. This completes the workflow: read, trace, respond, approve, and write back. The source code and setup instructions are available in my GitHub repo. Thank you for watching.